In this video, I will show you how to uninstall your WordPress site in Namecheap hosting account. So let's get started with the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click WordPress Manager under the Softwares section, which will bring us to this WordPress Management page. Here, we can find all the WordPress sites added in cPanel. We need to click the V-shaped menu option beside the WordPress site, which we want to uninstall. And next, we need to go to the bottom of the screen and click the Uninstall button. And in this page, we have the option of selecting or deselecting these settings before uninstalling the WordPress site. And down the page, we need to click Remove Installation button to permanently uninstall WordPress application in Namecheap hosting account. And done uninstalling the WordPress application in Namecheap web hosting account. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.